I've got a song for you, but the truth behind it is even better. I'm Dylan from Dylan Arms Kids Worship. You know, sometimes we all feel alone, but God is closer than you think. He never leaves you, and you can talk to Him anytime, day or night. So I wrote a song to help us hold on to this truth called You're With Me. Let's sing it together. Everywhere I go,